everybody doing well? And everyone's ready to continue on with the season? Do well!
So, well, first team was men's team Canoe Warfare, part of the Disney Animation Armada. Woo! And we got a lot of teams this year, as before, and
this is my 6th year, and others have been 7.
This is my 2nd year, so I'm fairly new to the enterprise. But yeah, doing better every year. We just shaved off 42 and 11 seconds off our teams, respectively.
Hi, this is DCU Catch of the Day.
This is our 6th year.
This is our 6th year.
That's how many meals Ricky has every day.
We keep the DCU the same, but we changed the Catch of the Day with the peanut butter and jelly, PB&J edition.
Back to black.
Back to black. We're rolling really fast this year. We hope to keep it up all the way through finals.
We're the Scions of the Old Republic. This is our first year doing this. And we're from Tomorrowland, mostly Star Tours. Star Tours!
We are the world famous Crush and Crush-like canoe teams.
How many years?
Year 4.
And 3 for light.
And 3 for light, yes, you're right. 10 canoes.
And what teams do you, who makes up your teams?
We are a resort-wide athlete team. We scoured the resort for the best athletes, found them, put them all together to this finely tuned machine.
My name's Lisa and I row with Sexy and the Beast. For this team, it's a group of characters, photo pass, and host. And for some of these guys, it's their first time rowing, and then for others, it's their 3rd year rowing. And for me, it's probably, I don't know, my 10th, 11th, 12th year rowing.
Alright, we're Fairy Princesses. We're a mixture from attractions, guest relations, and hotels, all of us. This is personally my first year, but we have some veterans out here that are rowing. So.
And Disney stores. Yo.
Stores.
Alright. What's the name of your team?
Synergy.
And how many years?
Orgy.
And how many years have you been doing it?
10 years.
10 years. And who makes up the groups of your people? Who are
College
you?
program, casting, entertainment, WDI, gardening,
Horticulture,
DCP, and finance.
That's great.
We're DC Sons of Paddling. We're from New Orleans, Critter Country, mainly canoes. We're all about paddling.
Peer pressure originated in Paradise Pure Attractions, now from all over the resort. That's one of the best things about canoes is we get friends from all over the resort that you would normally not get the chance to meet, and we get to come out here and do teamwork, work together, and kick some butt.
Well, we're JCDC. We're basically from all over the resort. We've got attractions cast members from both Disneyland and DCA. We've been doing this for most of us for about 5 years now. So hopefully this will be another good year, and we'll be making it back to the finals.
We are NOCCCT up or knocked up. We are from New Orleans, Critter Country Attractions. We've been a team. This is our 5th year rowing this year. So we started out as all CTs, and now we've kind of converted to CR full-time. We even have a salaried person on our team, so one of our managers, so it's a fun team this year.
We are men's canoe team, DCA GC. We come from Disney California Adventure, from the guest control cruise. We work mostly World of Color, most of us are leads over at World of Color and Parades. This is our first year as a team, and we made 5th place in men's. Feeling pretty good. We didn't have any practice. We're looking to be here again next year and do even better.
For a total of 3 weeks, and we're in
interns from all over the resort.
We're the Orans. We're from Guest Health Services.
And Cast Health.
Oh, I'm sorry. And Guest Health, but she's with us too at Guest Health Services.
We started the first year with only 16 people on one team, and everybody got into the hype of it in our building at the Disney store in Pasadena.
Disney stores!
So then the next year we had like 52, and we've had up to 52 people for the last 3 years.